Hello, it's Joy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome. Then just welcome to my channel. I do unboxings, makeup try-ons, and I throw in all kinds of things to keep you on your toes. And today we are going to be unboxing, bagging my IPSY Plus for November 2020. If you'd like to see what's inside, stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to unbag my IPSY November 2020, and here is the bag, and everything I received is inside. This is what the bag looks like. It has the little IPSY symbol. I don't know if you can see it right there. And it's a cute little bag. I like it. I love these bags though. There's so much stuff to do with it, but I like bags. Okay, so we're going to start off with what IPSY chose for me, and I pulled up my little computer. So let me look. Okay, yeah, they sent a card, and this month it is Be Present, but when you open up for the plus, there is no good information. Seriously, just a waste of a tree in my opinion. So the first thing that I see is the Yensi Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base Sunlit Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. That is what that looks like. And that says it is full size and it is worth $50. This huge box for these two little bitty things. Okay, so this is the brush, and the brush feels really nice. And then the packaging, I like that. I like the packaging. Super cute. Oh, and it comes with a protective lid, which is awesome. And look what I did. I did that. I just put my thing in it, but it smells like makeup. I am going to give this a try because there has been so many good reviews on it that I figured maybe if anything I can wear it during the winter months because my skin is going from oily to combination. So I'm not sure. It could be an old age thing. It could be a new skin thing. The next thing that I was sent by IPSY is this Violet Voss. And it is a eyeshadow palette. This is what the outside looks like. That's the back. That's the front. Open it up. There is a mirror. And then these are the 6 shadows that they sent me. And I swear they look almost like that Natasha Denona palette that I just got. So I don't know. I'm not going to swatch it or anything. I don't know if I'm going to keep it because I don't need 2 palettes that are identical for the most part. And that was a $20 value, and it is supposed to be a full-sized eyeshadow. And that's really tiny for an eyeshadow palette. Like, that's for 20 bucks. That bitch better be worth it. That's all I'm saying. So now we're going to be getting into what I picked. The first thing that I picked was this eyeshadow palette. If there is a palette in my choices, I will pick it. This is the Sabina B Miami eyeshadow palette. And the packaging is cute, simple, and pink. Does come with a mirror, and then you get these 8 shades, and I do believe that'll be a beautiful look for neutral look for anybody all year long. So I'm not sure if I'm keeping this palette either or if I'm giving it away, but this is worth $20 also, and you get 8 shades. This is worth $20 and you get 6 shades. Like, look at the size difference. That's horrible. I really hope that Violet Voss palette is super, super good. And the next thing that I picked was this Complex Culture Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream. And I chose it in the shade... Oh, sorry, it's not... And I chose it in the shade Rusty Rose. And that is what it looks like for the packaging. And I will try this on because I wanted some new lipstick. I don't know if this is like a lipstick. That's a pretty weird doe foot applicator, but I don't know if this is a lipstick or a lip gloss because it says tint, but we're about to find out. So it's definitely just a lip tint. It gave my lips a little bit of color. Feels like a gloss. It's not sticky, so I'm not sure if it's going to last a while or not, but it does feel really nice on the lips. Almost like a silky smooth nice. And that was full-sized, and it is $18. And the last thing that I chose was this, the Flush Touch-Free Highlighting Balm. The shade is 100 Startle, because I am learning to love highlighters now. This for sure is going to stay with me, and if for some reason it don't work on my skin, that is what that looks like. I do have a daughter, I'm sure, that would love it, but I watch somebody who has oily skin and they use this and they swear by it, so I'm gonna try it out. So let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. That's nice. That is nice. So if you add everything up, it was 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 18 plus 18. My value of my IPSY Plus bag was $126. And that's not bad. I got my money's worth. I just kind of questioned the price of this. Everything else I'm sure is what it should be. But yeah, I think I got a decent bag. What did you guys think? Did you get any of the same items that I got? If you receive IPSY, I'd love for you to tell me. I love hearing your positive feedback. So, I hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.